Hello, so welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm not in my own kitchen because I'm gonna cook something different, and my friends
Jean?
Yeah, you're already familiar with Jean because she's already in my videos, some of my videos, and today what are we gonna make, Jean?
I'm gonna make traditional Chinese noodles called oil spill noodles. The Chinese name is Yu Guo Mian.
Okay, so basically this noodle is my favorite because I remember like the first time Jean cooked it for me and it was so tasty. And yeah, before we're going back to our own countries, we're gonna
Make the fresh noodles first.
So here we're already in kitchens, and okay, we're gonna prepare and then I'm gonna show you how to make these noodles. See you! Okay, so now Jing will prepare we're gonna make noodles from scratch. And how much flour do you need for that, Jing?
We need 200.
200 grams.
150, I think.
Okay.
I forget. I haven't done it for a long time. And we need a little bit salt.
Yeah.
And also 1 egg. Do you think 150 is enough?
Yeah, it's a lot, right?
It's maybe.
Okay, so 150 gram of flour, and then 1 egg.
And a little bit salt.
Yeah.
Do you use chopsticks to make this one? Egg.
No, we usually use the fork. So I'm not cooking right now because Jing is. I'm just supervising. But I will try to do it later.
So the proportion is usually like 100 gram flour and 550 gram water. So
Okay.
it's like 2 to 1.
2 to 1. And then add the water. Oh, you also need to measure the water.
Yeah, the gram.
Like,
So the egg and the water like works the same way.
okay. So how much in total? 300 or
250.
250?
Yeah. So it's 150 gram flour and like 75 water. Yeah, water and egg.
Yeah. Don't forget because you're gonna use your hands.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is the fun part. To make the dough.
From Obi.
Yeah. And add some more water.
Sometimes like the flour from different place is different, so like
Yeah.
you can adjust.
But usually we just use the normal. So this is fetamiol. It's basically the normal flour, right?
Yeah.
It's not the one for bread.
Yeah.
It's just the normal one.
Yeah.
So you can just use the regular. Okay, so the dough is ready now. And how do you know that the dough is ready, Jing?
Like you make every part together.
Okay. So this is the look of our dough for the noodle.
And rest for like few hours, a few minutes.
Okay.
Like if you can keep it in a little bit warm place, that's better.
Okay.
Like it helps.
So we don't need to put it in the fridge or
Yeah.
something. Yeah, it's just in there.
Like warm
Normal.
place is better.
Yeah. Okay. She put it here. It's like steaming.
Yeah. Warm place.
Okay, so beside the noodles, we're also gonna make
Wonton.
wonton. Pangsit kalau bahasa Indonesia. But she has prepared this for the filling, and it's basically, it's not minced beef, but
Vegetarian meat.
it's a vegetarian meat from soy.
Yeah. soybean and mushroom, I think.
Yeah.
I
I want to
don't-
try to make it because I remember the last time I made wonton, it's
Yeah, try.
a bit. And I need to use.
This side.
Okay.
Yeah. The side with flour is like in case it stick together. Lace.
Less is more. Is it enough?
Yeah.
Yeah. Here and then.
Use some water and close it.
And how to put like this?
Yeah. The side you use water and close it like this way.
Okay.
And put it together. Create some shape.
Show it. Look. Ah. Look.
Ooh, well done.
Not too bad. The next one. Ta-da!
Ta-da! Last one.
Yeah. And then we're gonna steam it or boil.
Oil.
Yeah, and we're gonna boil it later. By the way, this tastes very good. How do you make it, Jing?
Um,
Paprika, then paprika,
mhm.
and then
Usually just like the vegetarian meat and then you put some like vegetables, whatever you like.
and what's
then
the
fry it.
ingredients? Like the,
The sauce?
yeah.
I use chili sauce and also put a little bit soy sauce. A
Okay.
little bit.
Yeah. Okay, so we're ready with our dumplings, and we're gonna
Back to the noodles.
back to the noodles. So
How do
after
you call this like movement?
I don't know,
They
like
have a
massage.
name, right?
I don't know
That's
what's
the
the name.
name.
It's just like massage the dough.
Massage.
Give some massage to the dough.
Oh, I have movement. I'm gonna show it. Massage.
Yeah. Maybe anyone knows what's the name of this process? You can just write in the comment. We don't know how to call it in
Massage the
English.
dough. Yeah. Usually like rest it for about 10 minutes and massage once and then rest for like another maybe 20 minutes.
Okay.
It depends on the flour, like when it's like even, not like this way,
Ah, okay.
then it's ready.
After we gave some massage to the dough, we're gonna put it here again. Let it rest for another 10 minutes.
Yeah.
And we're gonna make the
We're gonna cut some garlic.
garlic, yeah.
We are finding
This is
garlic.
basically for the topping first. Huh? The garlic is for the topping.
Yeah, for the
Yeah.
garlic.
She forgot whether she has garlic or not. Okay, so we finally found the garlic from her neighbors. And then we're gonna cut the garlic. Where's the knife?
Also use spring onion if you want.
Oh, okay. She doesn't like spring onion, by the way. So we're just gonna use garlic in this recipe.
Maybe.
Now back to the noodle again.
Massage. I think we have the like it's quite even how you call it.
Yeah.
So it's kind of ready.
Okay, this is another fun part of making the noodles. Because Jing's gonna show you how to make it. I'm gonna move it. Yeah, my mom makes it. But we usually make dumplings, fried dumplings.
process, it can also make the noodles like chewable.
Look at that fresh noodle.
Ta-da! Done.
Ready.
So another one.
Yeah. So when noodle is ready, just add some flour so it's not sticky.
You can use whatever you want.
Yeah, but we use the Chinese cabbage, right?
Yeah, it's the only one we have.
So we're gonna prepare for the. This
Last
is like a
bit
sauce,
oil.
right?
Yeah.
So just
Enough.
yeah, the oil.
Every time I'm gonna put too much. Yes, it's
Yeah.
You can also put a little bit seasoned oil to increase the flavor.
Oh yeah. Seasoning oil. Vegetables ready. The next stage is to boil the noodles. For how long? Lee?
1 or 2 minutes. Usually about like 1 minute.
Okay.
Fresh noodles take like some time.
So I think the noodle is ready.
The most reliable way is test it.
Yeah.
I think this noodle is like you and Hannah's favorite. Okay.
Put the garlic.
On the top.
We haven't boiled the dumpling.
Ah, yeah. Forget it.
We forget the dumplings, by the way.
Ta-da!
What's that thing?
Chili
Oh,
flakes.
this is the chili. Yeah, chili flakes or chili powder.
Really, the flake tastes better. The oil is ready. Like you see the smoke. There.
Ah, okay, yeah, it's ready. I can start smelling the.
How much you want?
I can add some more.
I can kill you.
Look at that, it looks beautiful already.
And put some soya sauce and vinegar.
So this is the soya sauce that I just showed you before. And this is vinegar.
Some people don't like vinegar. Not a little bit.
And then,
Last day,
yeah,
ready?
look at that. So basically it's almost ready and look at that.
Done.
We're almost done, but we forgot the dumpling, so we're still waiting the dumpling there. And then yeah, we're gonna go for a few minutes. Okay, so I almost skipped one steps, but yeah, we need to mix the ingredients together, otherwise it will be stick together. Yeah.
Yes, ready.
Yeah, ready. So
Dumplings.
that dumpling is not ready. Okay, so noodles is ready and I'm gonna try. This is one of my favorite noodles. Selamat makan, Jing.
Thank you. I guess you say thank you.
Let's try.
How does it taste?
It tastes very good. The chili, especially with the oil and the vinegar, it's so good. So we're gonna continue our lunch, and don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. Bye bye.